Take a moment to let everything pause. Gently close your eyes and take a soft, steady inhale. Then exhale as if nothing else matters but this moment. Let your breath slow. Let your shoulders drop. Feel the weight of the day begin to melt. There is nothing to fix, nothing to hold up, just this space and your breath. Breathe in deeply and gently release. Again, inhale. Feel the air enter your body like soft light. Exhale. Let it wash away whatever you're ready to set down. Begin to tune into your body. Notice where you feel grounded and where you feel pulled. What feels heavy and what feels absent. Just notice without needing to change a thing. We live in a world that constantly asks us to be everything. Strong but soft. Giving but boundaried. Productive but peaceful. And we forget that balance isn't about perfection. It's about returning to center, returning to self. Imagine you are standing at the center of a quiet, open space. The world is still. The noise is far away. And you are home. Gently bring to mind where you may feel out of balance. Maybe you've been giving too much and forgetting to receive. Maybe you've been so in your head that your emotions have gone unheard. Or maybe you've been saying yes when your body whispered no. Let these truths rise without judgment. Let them be seen like leaves floating on the surface of calm water. And now, imagine within your chest a golden scale, delicate, steady. It holds two plates. On one side, your needs, your rest, your truth. On the other, your responsibilities, your relationships, your giving. As you breathe, see the scale begin to gently shift. Not forced, not rigid, just finding its natural balance. Inhale, feeling your needs rise into awareness. Exhale, releasing the guilt that says they shouldn't matter. Inhale, calling your voice back. Exhale, releasing the pressure to be everything for everyone. Let this breath become a rhythm, a quiet returning. The part of you that gives and the part that needs. The part that leads and the part that longs to rest. They are not enemies. They are partners in your wholeness. Breathe into your heart. Feel how vast it is, how it can hold joy and sorrow, action and stillness all at once. Bring your awareness to your body, to the part that moves and does, to the part that carries the weight. Offer it stillness. Offer it light. Bring awareness to your mind, to the thoughts that analyze, plan, compare. Offer it silence. Offer it space. Finally, bring awareness to your soul, the part of you that simply is, the part that has never been broken. Offer it breath. Offer it home. With each inhale, you come into deeper alignment. With each exhale, you let go of what's not yours to carry. Stay here a few more breaths. Let your energy return to itself. Let all the scattered pieces of you come back into your center. You don't need to be more. You don't need to prove your worth through imbalance. Your presence is enough. Take a deep breath in and imagine a soft, golden light rising at your core, spreading into your chest, your belly, your shoulders, your hands, your legs. Let this light carry the vibration of balance. Let it teach your nervous system what it feels like to be whole. Not perfect, not fixed, just whole. Take a final inhale and let it go. Begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers. Feel the air on your skin. Notice the surface beneath you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. You are home. You are in balance. You can return to this center anytime you forget. And may this balance guide the way you speak, love, rest, and live.